Today, I'm going to show you how to apply a LUT to a clip in DaVinci Resolve 20, step by step, so you can quickly give your footage a polished, cinematic look. Whether you're new to color grading or you just want a faster workflow, this is one of the easiest ways to transform the mood and style of a clip inside Resolve. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tips, editing tutorials, and beginner-friendly workflows. All right, let's get started. First, click the Color tab at the bottom of the interface. This opens the Color page, which is where all of the main color grading work happens in DaVinci Resolve 20. This page gives you the specialized node-based environment and the LUT browser you need for primary and secondary grading. Once you're in the Color page, look down at the timeline and select the clip you want to work on. Make sure the correct clip is active, because DaVinci Resolve will only apply the LUT to the selected media. You'll know you've selected the right one when you see the orange outline around the clip. Now, to access the LUTs, click the LUTs button in the top left corner of the interface. This opens the LUT browser, where you'll find color transformation files organized into folders. These folders usually include categories for camera manufacturers, technical conversion LUTs, and creative film looks. Next, browse through the left-hand sidebar and locate the LUT folder you want to use. DaVinci Resolve 20 includes a wide range of LUT options, including technical looks for Rec. 709, Blackmagic Design, and other common color spaces. Take your time here and choose a LUT that matches the style you're trying to achieve. When you find a LUT you want to try, hover your mouse cursor over the thumbnail to preview it. This is a really useful feature because live preview lets you see the effect instantly in the viewer before you actually commit to it. That means you can compare different looks quickly without guessing what they'll do to your footage. After previewing the LUT, right-click the thumbnail and choose Apply to Current Node. This is the key step that maps the LUT onto the active node and applies the color transformation directly to your clip. As soon as you do this, you should see the image change in the viewer. Now look over to the node editor in the top right corner of the color page. You'll notice the node thumbnail updates to reflect the new graded image. That tells you the LUT is now active and processing the clip through that node. If the effect feels too strong, you can easily reduce it. To do that, click the key icon in the central tool palette. This opens the Key tab, where you'll find the Key Output Gain slider. Think of this as an opacity control for the node. Drag the Key Output Gain slider to the left to lower the intensity of the LUT. This is a great way to blend the original footage with the LUT effect, so the grade looks more natural and less extreme. If you want a subtle cinematic finish instead of a heavy stylized look, this adjustment is very important. If you decide you no longer want the LUT on that node, you can remove it just as easily. Right-click the node in the node editor and choose Reset Node Grade. This clears the LUT from that node and returns it to its base state without affecting the rest of your grade. And that's it. You've now learned how to apply a LUT to a clip in DaVinci Resolve 20, adjust its strength, and remove it when needed. It's a simple workflow, but once you get comfortable with it, it can save you a lot of time and help you build a much faster color grading process. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.